Hi, I'm Joey Sharp, Director of Product for Sea Ray Boats. I'm on the SLX 260 wake surf boat, and we're going to talk a little bit about surfing behind this boat and how you set it up. Well, the first step is I'm going to go to our custom user interface, and we're going to start filling all of our ballast. And to start off, I would fill all the tanks up 100%. You can fine tune once you get your surfer up or on your second or third run. So now that I've got my ballast filled, I'm going to go and I'm going to put it in surf. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to hit activate. Now that I've activated, what that's going to do is that's going to bring up my speed control, my wave height, and what side of the boat I want to surf on. So I'm going to do surf left because I have a port surfer. I'm going to leave the speed at 11.4, and then I'm going to adjust the height of the wave. I actually want it to be about a medium-sized wave. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust my ski mirror. So now I'm going to adjust it so that I can see my rider back behind me. I'm going to confirm with my spotter that they're ready to go. And then I'm going to take the slack out of the line. Now we're going to get the all okay from our surfer, which is a thumbs up. Then we're going to go throttle all the way down. The boat is going to do the rest. There's 5 different launch profiles on this boat. 1 being a very slow start, 5 being a very aggressive start. We're on a 3. Now your surfer's riding. Now you're gonna make small adjustments. Speed up, speed down, all okay, wave bigger, wave smaller. If your surfer goes down, you wanna come back to neutral, let those rollers pass you. You're gonna go into gear and you're gonna idle back to your surfer. No reason to get in a hurry. You don't wanna go too fast because you're gonna create unnecessary wake for your surfer and other boaters around you. So that's how you operate the SLX 260 surf boat and its user interface. To learn more, you can go to our Sea Ray YouTube channel.